and rearrangement reactions. Okay, several types are there, but we mainly deal with the substitution and elimination. In first chapter, we have substitution reactions and elimination reactions. Substitution and elimination. Substitution, elimination. Substitution reactions are again classified into three types: SN1, SN2, and SNAR. Aromatic nucleophilic substitution. See, if we get 10 questions from the first chapter, 5 questions will come from the SN1, SN2, E1, E2 only. That is the probability. What you learnt up to now, to get questions from that is less probability. SN1, SN2 is small topic only, but several times questions came from SN1, SN2. Okay. Next, elimination. Elimination is classified into alpha elimination, beta elimination, and gamma elimination. Right. Alpha elimination also called 1-1 elimination. This is called 1-2 elimination. This is 1-3 elimination. But in first chapter, we'll deal with beta elimination. E1, E2, E1CB elimination. E1 elimination, E2 elimination, and E1CB elimination via conjugate based mechanism. Right. In first chapter, second year first chapter, all these three means these three are one of the chemical property of alkyl halide. Right. Chemical property of alkyl halide only. I skipped at that time. We started Wurtz reaction, right? Actually, in the middle, alkene formation we skipped. That comes under this. Right. Coming to substitution. What is basic definition of substitution? What is substitution? The reaction in which, not adding, the reaction in which one atom or group of atoms are replaced by another atom or group of atoms, called substitution reaction. Substitution basic definition: the reaction in which one atom or group of atoms are replaced by another atom or group of atoms is called substitution reaction. Online students unnara meer jump adabaki. Hello, are you there? Okay na? మళ్ళీ టైం లేదు మనకి. అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మీరు ఇప్పుడే వినాలి, ఎంత కష్టమైనా. ఆ తర్వాత 40 days లో మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? 40 days 50 days? ఎన్ని డేస్ వచ్చింది మీకు? May 5th కదా మనకి ఎప్పుడు జరిగేది. ఈసారి 3rd 2 days తగ్గింది. ఐపీ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఎప్పుడు అయిపోతున్నాయి మీకు? మార్చ్ 18th. మార్చ్ 18th నుంచి April 18th, 1 month. 18th అంటే ఒక 22 days అంతే కదా. 12 days, సారీ 12, 18th 12 days, 30 అదొక 12 days, 42 days అంటే ఒక 40 days వేసుకోండి మీరు. అంటే అన్ని పోను సార్, ఒక ఎక్స్ట్రా 5 days అయినా ఎదులేండి, మనం కొంచెం అటు ఇటు తిరుగుతూ ఉంటాం కదా అయిపోయిన తర్వాత కొంచెం. అంటే 40 days టైం. 40 days లో మనం ప్రాక్టికల్ థింక్ చేయండి, ఆర్గానిక్ ని అవగొడతామా? అందుకనే మరి వినాల మీరు. ఓకేనా? మీకైనా, ఎంసెట్ అయినా, జేఈ మెయిన్స్ వాళ్ళకైనా, ఎవరికైనా కష్టం ఉంది. సో ఎంత కష్టమైనా మనం ఇప్పుడే చూసుకుంటే బెటర్. చాలా మంది ఇంకా ఏం చేస్తారు, ఐపీ తర్వాత చూద్దామని అనుకుంటారు. పాప ఏం తెలియని వాళ్ళకి, అసలుకి జనరల్ ఆర్గానికే వాళ్ళకి తెలియదు. ఇంకా అసలు ఎంత హైలీ ఇంపాసిబుల్ అవుతుందో చూడండి మీరు. అందుకనే మీరు ఏంటంటే ఎంతసేపు అయినా మీరు ఆహా ఊహం అనుకుంటా మీరేనా అలా సపోర్ట్ చేయకుండా. అర్థమైందా? నాకు కూడా మరి నడువులు నొప్పులు వేస్తుంటాయి కదా, మరి అయినా కానీ మేము అవి మీతో ఏం చెప్పకుండా చెప్పుకుంటాం అన్ని. మనం 3-4 గంటలు కంటిన్యూ నిలబడితే. రైట్. The reaction in which one atom or group of atoms are replaced by another atom or group of atom is called substitution. See, X is substituted by Nu. Nu is the nucleophile. Nucleophile means electron rich species. Nucleophile is electron rich. Generally nucleophiles are having negative charge. Neutral nucleophiles also there. Okay. Negative means nucleophile. Remember, negative means nucleophile. Positive means electrophile. See, X is coming as or leaving as X minus or not means nucleophile. Nucleophile. One nucleophile is replaced by another nucleophile. So this is called nucleophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution means one positive is replaced by another positive. That is electrophilic. Positive replaced by positive. Electrophile. Negative replaced by negative. Nucleophile. This is nucleophilic substitution reaction. So I given one general reaction for SN, nucleophilic substitution. In nucleophilic substitution, first category is SN1. SN1. Theoretical questions came and logical questions came, memory based questions came on this. So every point is important. First point in the SN1. Coming to the abbreviation, how to abbreviate SN1? Unimolecular, one stands for unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. Unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. SN1 takes place in two steps. Takes place in two steps. Step one. Step one is formation of carbocation. Step two. Step two. Attack of nucleophile. Attack of nucleophile. Rate of the reaction. Rate is proportional to concentration of alkyl halide or substrate. We can use another word. Substrate. Substrate nothing but a reactant only. Starting material. Another word for substrate reactant is substrate. Substrate nothing but the alkyl halide. Other reactant we take at the beginning. So rate depends only on, you tell me, rate depends only on how many species? One only. That's why uni. Rate is depending on only concentration of alkyl halides, not on other species like nucleophile. Okay, that's why unimolecular. Why one is given to you? Unimolecular, because the rate is depending upon only concentration of alkyl halide. Next, racemic mixture formation takes place. These points are important. In which of the following racemic mixture is formed like that? Racemic mixture formation takes place. Racemic mixture is formed. In stereochemistry, we consider racemic mixture. Racemic mixture is equimolar mixture of dextro and levorotatory. Dextrorotatory means it rotates plane polarized light towards the right side. Dextro. Levorotatory means left side. Equimolar mixture of D and L. Dextro and levo. Racemic mixture. Order of reactivity of alkyl halides. Order of reactivity of alkyl halides towards the SN1 is 3 degree alkyl halides are more reactive than 2 degree alkyl halides. 2 degree alkyl halides are more reactive than 1 degree alkyl halides. This order came several times. Reactivity comparison 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. We know already what are 3 degree alkyl halides. Halogen is attached to 3 degree carbon. 2 degree halogen is attached to 2 degree carbon. This is some important information about SN1. Takes place in two steps. Step one is formation of carbocation. Step two is attack of nucleophile. Rate is proportional to substrate or alkyl halide. Racemic mixture is formed. Order of reactivity. One example. This is 3 degree alkyl halide. OH negative is the nucleophile. I am writing main reaction. Then we'll discuss how this reaction will take place. First of all, tell me this is nucleophilic substitution or not? Yes. Cl is leaving as Cl negative. This nucleophile. OH also one nucleophile. So one nucleophile is substituted by another nucleophile. So this is nucleophilic substitution, no doubt. See the mechanism. What is step one in the mechanism? What is step one? Formation of carbocation. Remember all of you, if you know the mechanism, then only you can answer the questions in the first chapter or under first year reaction mechanism also. See what you have to do when you get questions on SN1. First you have to form the carbocation like this. In the step one, Cl leaves along with these two bond pairs. Cl. Departure of chlorine takes place along with the bond pairs. Now this carbon is losing its electrons or not? Losing its electron. This carbon is losing its electron. So CH3, CH3 positive. Why it is getting positive charge? Because electron of carbon is taken by chlorine, and Cl negative, Cl negative. This is step one. What is step one? At the beginning we wrote step one is formation of carbocation. This is carbocation. Carbocation is formed. And step one is very, very important rate determining step. Every point is important. Rate determining step because it is just slow step. Slow step is called rate determining step. Why? Rate determining step means generally reactions takes place through several steps. So many steps will be there. So you tell me which reaction we can study, slow or fast reaction. We can study slow reaction only. This is slow. Why it is slow reaction? Because chlorine is forcefully taking electron of carbon. That's why it is slow step. Carbon do not lose its electron, or do not lose its electron, but forcefully chlorine is taking its electron. This is slow process. Slow step. That's why it is called rate determining step. Theoretical question in SN1 formation of carbocation is which step? Rate determining step, RDS. RDS stands for rate determining step. Rate determining step. Slow step. Right. First step is over. What is second step? What is second step? Attack of nucleophile. Step 2. This is fast step. Why it is fast step? Reaction between positive and negative. Slow or fast? Fast. Negative positive attractions. OH negative is the nucleophile. Simple. So if you know how to frame carbocation, then you will get the answer. First, you should remove halogen along with the bond pair. First, form the carbocation. Whenever you get the question on SN1, immediately remove halogen and put positive charge. Right? This is general reaction of SN1. Okay, remember all the points. SN1 takes place in how many steps? Two steps. Step one is formation of carbocation. Step two is attack of nucleophile. Rate depends on only alkyl halide, concentration of alkyl halide on a substrate. Racinization takes place. Okay, order of reactivity 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. Now, why 3 degree alkyl halides readily participate in SN1? Why 3 degree alkyl halides readily participate in SN1? We given order, right? 3 degree greater than 2 degree. Why? What is rate determining step? Carbocation formation step is the rate determining step. Here carbocation is forming, right? If this carbocation is stable, overall reaction is very fast. Overall reaction is fast. When this carbocation is stable, when you take 3 degree alkyl halide, then only you will get a stable carbocation. That is the reason why 3 degree alkyl halides are readily participate in SN1, because 3 degree alkyl halides able to form stable carbocation, because stable carbocation is the key step in the SN1. That is the reason 3-degree alkyl halides readily participate in SN1 reaction. Very important comparison. SN1, SN2 also even, that is a different case. Here, basic idea is over about SN1. So today you prepare up to aryl halides, okay? And tomorrow we'll continue. ఇంకా చెప్తే మీ మైండ్లు మళ్ళీ బ్లాక్ అయిపోతాయి. ఓకే, విల్ కంటిన్యూ టుమారో. చాలండి మరి ఎక్కువ.